Hello everyone! Right now I have a new package from Banggood and I'm gonna open it right now. In this, Banggood sent me a car. So, oh, okay. Well, this is not how you're supposed to ship a car. They just put it in a bag without any protection, without any box. Banggood, if you are watching this, please put it in a box before shipping, otherwise it could break in transit. Anyway, okay, so first, as you can see, this is a car that looks rather familiar because it is based on MiniZ. I have a confirmation from MiniZ that they don't make this. This is just a third party or a clone from the MiniZ Q5. And as you can see, it doesn't have any suspension adjustment at all. It just, you have this spring that of course you can change, and that's it. And it comes with ball diff, so well, you can adjust that too. The mesh is rather tight, and that's what I noticed. Well, another good thing is you have you can extract very good steering angle out of it, just like in the first MiniZ, the MiniZ Q3 to Q5. But it sounds like something's binding, so I really have to check it. Inside the bag you have a pinion gear 17T and ball link for the servo, and that's it. This is a rolling chassis, so you'll have to put your own electronics on it. And just because of that, I have this set from Leopard hobby. Of course it is going to be opened because in here you have the combo motor and ESC with everything, screws, shrink tube. And the best thing about it is, I don't know if you can see it or it come across the camera, but when you buy it from Banggood, they glue the wires, which is this is the Achilles heel of this motor. I have to confess, I had one of this before, and it just broke down after about 5 minutes. So this is great. They have the glue. If you buy it from somewhere else, I don't know if you're gonna get this glue or not. So just to be sure, you have to have the electronics glue or liquid electrical tape. You have to have either of that to make it work. And the ESC that it comes with is the Hobby Wing Quick Run 16BL30 with the plug and everything soldered, which is really good. So this set is going to go on the car. As you can see, if you chat with me on Facebook, you're gonna hear me say a lot of times that do not get this ESC, it's too big for this car. And here's why. You see how massive it is? And this is why I don't recommend this ESC. But you know, but it is easy when you buy a combo like this. You have everything soldered, you just plug it in and it'll work. Okay, so let's set that aside. Next we have a servo. This is again, this is a digital servo that looks exactly like the servo from MiniZ and from WL Toys. So this is going to go in here and it's going to fit directly. and it has a servo horn, so it has everything. And this servo is really cheap. It's like $4, I guess. I'll have link for all these parts in the description below. And last but not least, I also get these wheels. Oh, offset doesn't look like it is 0 offset. I think it is about 2.5. I'll have to measure it and put it in the description again. So the wheels look really good. It's made of aluminum, and everything seems really nice. One last thing I want to check before I go is the wheelbase. I really have to change the battery on this. Out of the box, it is 98mm wheelbase. I measured 97.4. Well, actually it is 98. So, oh, right. So this chassis can't do 90 from the holes. You'll see that it will do 98, 94, 102 and 106, which is a little bit weird. But anyway, the body that will fit perfectly is MiniZ Honda Civic Type R. Just put it in right there, and it'll fit perfectly. It looks nice too. And well, with these wheels, I have these before too. These are 2.5mm offset, and well, they fit the arches nicely. That's it for today. See you again next time.